I smoked for over 30 years. I tried to quit cold turkey multiple times, and I failed every single time. You know what finally worked? Nicotine replacement therapy. And 9 years later, I'm still using it. Let me tell you why that's not a problem. Here's what nobody explains about quitting cold turkey. When you smoke regularly, your brain stops producing dopamine on its own. It waits for the nicotine to trigger it. So when you try to quit without any replacement, you're not just fighting cravings, you're operating with a dopamine deficit. No wonder everything feels pointless and miserable. And no wonder you end up lighting up again just to feel normal. Even the Mayo Clinic says quitting cold turkey with zero support has a 95% failure rate. So why do so many people act like it's the only real way to quit?
If you're new to me, I'm Jennifer Green. I had my first cigarette at age 11 and then spent most of my adult life trying to quit and failing. I've been smoke-free though for almost 10 years now. A few years ago, I decided to help other women like me escape the prison of smoking without the shame, the suffering, or the impossible standards that kept me stuck for so long. My book, Quit Smoking for Good, shares my story, the addiction, the failures, the messy path to freedom, and the psychology of how to actually make change stick, because I finally found out that quitting doesn't have to be perfect to work.
Here's what nicotine replacement therapy actually does. It gives your brain the dopamine trigger it needs, while you break the habit of smoking. And those are two different things. The physical addiction to nicotine is one problem. The ritual of lighting up when you're stressed, bored, or need to celebrate, that's another problem. When you try to solve both at once, you're setting yourself up to white knuckle it through hell. NRT lets you tackle one problem at a time. You stop inhaling thousands of toxic chemicals into your lungs. You break the hand-to-mouth habit. You stop associating every emotion with lighting a cigarette. And your brain still gets what it needs to function. Later, when you're a stable non-smoker, you can decide if you want to taper off the nicotine too, or not. That's up to you. When I quit, I used the 14 milligram patch and kept nicotine gum on hand for my breakthrough cravings. Did I feel like I was cheating? Sometimes. But you know what I wasn't doing? Smoking. I weaned off the patches after about 6 months, but I kept using the 2 milligram mini lozenges because they prevented me from relapsing. I don't experience negative consequences from using them. That may not be true for everyone. All drugs have side effects. But my doctor says it's infinitely better for me than smoking. And I've made peace with my imperfection. I'm a non-smoker who uses nicotine therapeutically. And I'm completely fine with that. But isn't nicotine bad for you? It's not nearly as bad as smoking. We're talking about harm reduction here, not perfection. Won't you just stay addicted to nicotine? Maybe. But nicotine by itself, without all the carcinogens and tar and carbon monoxide, is not the thing that's killing smokers. The 2020 Surgeon General's report says it's safe to use NRT longer than recommended if it helps you avoid relapsing. Stanford's head of addiction medicine says some people may need nicotine indefinitely to feel and function okay. And that's a heck of a lot better than smoking.
Listen, if you've been beating yourself up because you can't quit without a crutch, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to be perfect to quit smoking. You don't have to give up everything all at once, and you don't have to suffer more than necessary just to prove that you're serious. Use the patch, use the gum, use the lozenges, or whatever your doctor recommends, and use it for as long as you need it. And if anyone tells you that you're cheating, you can tell them that it's none of their business, because you know what matters? Not smoking. That's it. That's the whole goal.
If you're ready to quit smoking your way, not the perfect way, I can help. I've got a free essential guide for quitters that walks you through the 5 steps I use to quit for good, the same ones you'll find in my book. Comment guide, and I'll send it to you for free. And if you want more support, I offer one-on-one coaching. And I'm building a program to help you quit without all the drama. You don't have to do this alone, and you don't have to do it perfectly. I'm proof of that. You just have to start. I believe in you,